Hi, my name is Andy Armstrong, Kick's Early Adoption Lead for IBM. I use Linux on System Z to run my workload server to provide the closest, simplest topology link between my mobile tier and my backend services hosted in Kix, DB2 and IMS. One thing which has bugged me for a while about our default installations of Linux on System Z was the lack of the command line editor Nano. People get quite attached to their command line editors, and I was forced into using Vi, which hurt my workflow and made the platform less comfortable for me. Today I finally decided to get Nano on Linux for System Z, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and how easy it is. So if you are like me and love Nano, you too can benefit from seeing how simple it is to get it and fix it. We start by downloading the Nano source code onto our Linux for System Z instance. To do this, I open up my browser and I head to nano-editor.org/download.php. We want the source file, so I right-click the source file and copy the link address so I can see the download location. I then open up my terminal where I'm SSH'd into my F390X Linux on System Z instance and make a new folder for our source. I then go into that new folder and use wget on the URL that I just copied to download the zip onto the machine. Once that's there, I use the tar-zxvf on the nano.tar.gz. We should now have a new folder called nano-2.2.6, and I go into there. I then type /configure. This runs the configure build command. Once this is completed, I type make, and this runs the compile commands. And then as sudo, I run the make install command to install the new binaries into the appropriate locations on the system. Once that's all done, I should now be able to run the Nano command line editor. There we go. Now I'm very happy with my favorite editor on Linux for System Z.